Hello, I'm Jason from Fuse Lenses, and today we're going to show you how to change your lenses out of your Arnette Slicksters. Now to start out, from the back, have them facing towards you, you just want to press out, starting about the nasal passage right there. Just pop them out, just like so. And now today, we have our Nova Color lenses to put in. Now you're just going to turn your frames around, line it up from the bottom, and just press probably around the nasal passage right there, and they just pop right in. And just do the same to the other lens. Don't be afraid to use some force. There you go. Alright, and then after that you want to take your microfiber bag that you were given, just give them a quick wipe down, just like so. And then you're ready to go.